light of humanity in dark times. World Humanitarian Day. The rain had been pouring for days. Soon the river overflowed, and the entire village was underwater. Houses collapsed, animals were swept away, and people climbed onto rooftops, shivering with fear. Children cried for food, mothers prayed for safety, and the old sat helpless, waiting for rescue. In the middle of this disaster, a young boy named Amir stood firm. He was only 14, but his heart was bigger than the flood itself. With nothing but a rope, he tied it between tall trees and helped families cross the rushing water. He carried children on his shoulders to safer ground. When he saw hungry kids crying, Amir opened a small bag of food he had saved for himself. He gave away every bite, smiling as they ate. Then he helped an old man who had lost everything, saying, "Don't worry, we are together." Villagers were amazed. They said, "Amir, you are just a boy. How can you help so many in such a huge flood?" Amir replied, "Humanity is not about how much you have, but how much you share. Even one act of kindness can bring hope to many hearts." Soon, other villagers were inspired by Amir's courage. They joined him, sharing food, building shelters, and caring for one another. What began with the effort of one child turned into a movement of hope that saved the whole village. Message of the story is that World Humanitarian Day reminds us that in every disaster, there are heroes among us. True strength is not in wealth or power, but in compassion and unity. Even the smallest hands can lift the heaviest hearts. World Humanitarian Day.